all you have to do is right click an empty area. That's right, not the icons, an empty area. And then go to where it says view and then choose large, medium or small icons. For example, if I choose large icons, look, they are much bigger. And also keep in mind, this works whether you are on a desktop or inside a folder on Windows 11. Now, if you're using a mouse, there is another really practical way you can do this. All you have to do is hold Control on your keyboard, hold Control, don't let go, and then scroll up to increase the icon size, and then scroll down to decrease them. So as you can see here, as I hold Control and then scrolling up, look, they're getting bigger. And then as I scroll down, they get smaller. So there you go. With these two tips, you can easily change icon size on Windows 11 to make them bigger or to make them smaller. For more videos like this that are simple, straight to the point, please subscribe and thanks for watching.